Hello. Please can I try those shoes on in a size 5? Thank you. Oh no. No, I don't need any pop socks, thank you. I know I don't have socks, but I really have bad allergies to the to the pop socks. Oh, they really make me sneeze. No, it's the smell. The smell. Oh, it's the smell that makes me sneeze. Oh, those smelly socks. They're gonna make me sneeze again. Please stop waving them near my nose. If I get a whiff of those smelly socks, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, no. Please, stop. Oh, see? I told you I'm allergic to these smelly socks. The smelly socks are gonna make me sneeze again. Oh no. No, don't put them near my nose. Oh, you see? I told you I'm allergic to the smelly socks. The smell keeps making me sneeze. And, oh, please, don't wiggle. Oh, don't wiggle your toes near my nose. I'm allergic to the smelly pops. Oh. I gotta get out of here, away from all these wiggling toes and smelly pop socks. Oh.